Consumer prices rose 2.8% in February compared to a year ago, easing slightly over the first full month under President Donald Trump and offering welcome news for markets roiled by a global trade war. Inflation cooled more than economists expected. The major stock indexes climbed in early trading on Wednesday, minutes after the inflation report, but markets soon teetered amid an escalating trade war and recession concerns. Price increases slowed from a 3% inflation rate recorded in January, though inflation remained nearly a percentage point higher than the Federal Reserve's target of 2%. Egg prices, however, a closely watched symbol of price increases, soared 58.8% in February compared to a year ago, accelerating from the previous month. Bird flu has decimated the egg supply, lifting prices higher. The Justice Department opened an investigation into egg producers to learn if market practices have contributed to the price hikes. A source familiar with the matter told ABC News. Prices dropped for tomatoes, cereal, cupcakes, and cookies over the past year. Some grocery prices increased faster than the pace of overall inflation, however, including beef, biscuits, and apples. A rise in housing costs accounted for nearly half of the price increases last month, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics said. A decline in the price of airline tickets and gasoline helped offset some of the increased costs, the agency said. The inflation report arrived hours after the U.S. imposed 25% tariffs on steel and aluminum, prompting near-immediate retaliatory duties from the European Union and marking the latest escalation of trade tensions. Tariffs are widely expected to raise prices for consumers, since importers typically pass along a share of the added cost to shoppers. The stock market has plunged since Trump imposed tariffs on Mexico, Canada, and China last week, giving rise to warnings on Wall Street about a potential economic downturn. Within days, Trump delayed some of the tariffs on Canada and Mexico,